Today we're breaking down the Sony ZV-E10 Kit Lens versus the Sigma 16. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly which lens is the perfect match for you. I'm TommyEmEl. I've been posting videos on YouTube now for more or less 18 years. A couple of years ago, I bought the Sony ZV-E10 for my guitar related channel, and this year I started this channel, what you're watching, and upgraded the lens to arguably one of the best lenses for YouTube videos, the Sigma 16 1.4. And I'm shooting this video with that lens. So let's get down to business and talk about each lens and look at side-by-side comparisons in my setup, how the image looks on each lens. Let's start with the lens that comes with the Sony ZV-E10, the kit lens. It's actually called a kit lens since it comes packaged with the camera if you buy it as a kit. And that's basically it. The kit lens is like your friend you can always count on. It works for all kinds of talking head videos, from close-ups to wide shots. But does your friend make you look as cool as you feel? That's one question you might want to think about. The Sony ZV-E10 Kit Lens is a zoom lens, so it has a variable focal length from 16 to 50mm, and the aperture is 3.5 to 5.6. And the Sony ZV-E10 Kit Lens doesn't always get the appreciation it deserves. Okay, it might not have the widest aperture, so you might not get that good of a separation between you and your background. But what if that's something you don't even want? You should never underestimate the kit lens. This little lens works wonders on all kinds of videos. Plus, it's already included with your camera, so why not give it a chance to shine? Now, you might already be tempted to look at the new replacement lens, thinking it will instantly improve your videos. But hold on a second. Before you buy anything, think about this. The Sony Kit Lens is more than capable of delivering fantastic results for your talking head videos. So it might be a good idea to save your hard-earned money and stick with what you got. You might be pleasantly surprised by the results. But you need to hear about the Sigma 16 first. The Sigma 16 is the lens that will take your talking head videos to the next level. What makes this lens so special? Well, it turns your videos to cinematic experience if you want to. It has a wide aperture at 1.4 that creates this dreamy blurred background effect, making you the star of the show or the video. Plus the 15mm focal length is just perfect for making the shot wide enough and professional, no matter what you're talking about. Even with the wide aperture, the lens maintains impressive sharpness across the frame, making videos crisp and detailed with minimal distortion, ensuring high quality every time. The best part of the lens for me is the low light quality, thanks to the aperture. I can have my room and background really dark with minimal lighting setup. If you're interested in my setup, including the lights, check out the video link somewhere on the screen or in the description. Now, it's time to see how these lenses stack up against each other, side by side. As you can see, it's clear each of the lenses have their own vibe. I have the settings exactly the same on the camera for both lenses, and also I didn't change anything in the room. When it comes to chatting on camera, both the Sony ZV-E10 Kit Lens and the Sigma 16mm have their own strengths. If you want versatility or more of a Hollywood vibe, there's a lens suited for you. So my suggestion is that pick the one that feels right for you, and let's make some awesome videos together. But before we wrap up, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And if you want more tips and tricks for making content and money on YouTube, you might consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time, keep making videos, keep smiling, and keep spreading those good vibes. See ya!